welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, in today's video, this was highly requested by you guys. I asked you guys in the community tab if you guys wanted to see a wedding tutorial. So this is a wedding makeup tutorial that anybody can use, whether you're a bridesmaid, whether you're the bride, whomever, but it's super easy, super simple to use the products that I use in this video. So if you like videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you want to see how I got this wedding makeup look, then keep on watching. Alright, so we are going to start with the eyes. I'm going to prime using concealer. This is the Smashbox, Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. I have it in the shade Light Medium Warm. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. Never used this concealer before, so I feel as though it should be perfect to use for this type of look, because usually brides, I don't know, people like different stuff, but I know like a clean, like regular soft look, you don't want like too much heavy makeup, so like this concealer will be perfect for that. And I'm just going to set it. And I'm going to be going in with the Soft Glam palette, because this is the perfect palette to create a cute, subtle, but soft glam type of wedding look. So I've already done my brows, as you guys see. So I'm going to start off with the burnt orange shade as my transition color. You want to be mindful when doing if you're doing your own makeup look for your wedding day. Just don't go too ham or too heavy on the eyeshadows, because you want it to be if you're looking for that soft glam look, then you want it to be soft. So next I'm going to go in to Rustic. And I'm just mixing that in with that transition shade that we went with first. And I'm just going to deepen up this outer part with the Cypress Umber shade, this deeper brown. And we're going to focus that just on the outer corner. I'm going to go into Glistening, and I'm going to use that as my all over lid shade. It's more of a like a rose goldy type of shade. So I'm going to go in with that. And while I'm placing this down, since it's kind of wet, I'm going to go ahead and try to carve out like a semi-cut crease type of shade. So and while the lash glue is drying a bit, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I already moisturized my face. I'm going to prime with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, because we're going to be going in with a mixture of foundation today. I'm going to mix two that I really like the combination of, but to keep my skin hydrated, I'm going to go ahead and prime with this. Hydrated, and it's going to give me a glow, because one of the foundations you guys will see. So I'm going to go ahead and put my falsies on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now we can move on to the face. Lashes are on. I'm going to be mixing the Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation and the Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. The Lancôme one is more of a matte finish, and the Mercier one is more of a radiant finish, but I've combined these before and I actually like how it came out. Both are medium to full coverages and they last really long. So all of that information on the colors will be in the description box below. The Lancôme one is 420 bisque and the Mercier one is in suntan. So I'm going to mix these two. And usually I'm not like into the mixing of foundations, but I really like how it turned out. One day I was just playing around with my makeup, and I had an event to go to, actually, a family event, and then I mixed these two together and I was like, ooh, I actually like how it came out. So I'm going to be doing it again today, and one is actually lighter than the other, so it worked out perfectly, giving me that perfect golden glow. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. how it just gives like this glow with, oh, I like this combination. I don't know what made me try it, but I just tried it and I really like it. So on to the concealer. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin, same concealer that we use as our base for the eyes. And again, this is in the shade light, medium, warm. Like I said, I've never used this before, so we shall see. It's pretty yellow, for sure. It's pretty yellow. And I'm going to set everything with my Hourglass Veil powder. Alright, moving on to bronzing the face. I'm going to bronze my face with the NARS, what is this? The NARS bronzer in the shade Casino. Also going to go in with the Patrick Starr and Matte collab. It was a spring collab. I'm Not Blushing Powder and Blush Duo, just for a little more warmth to the skin, as well as the blush on this side. It's like this really pretty, like, soft pink. I think it's perfect for a wedding. And a little bit on the bottom lash line. I'm just going to go in with Rustic on the bottom lash line, that lighter brown. Nothing too harsh. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Bobbi Brown highlighter in the shade Bronze Glow. This is my stuff. This is my jam. It's just perfect. Look at that. Perfect. I'm going to put a little bit on the top of the brow bone. And for lip, I'm going to go in with this NYX lip liner. This is in the shade Nude. It is my favorite. As you can see, it is gone. So I went ahead and mixed these two. This is the Urban Decay Cream Rush Lipstick and MAC Cosmetics in the shade Taupe. Both are really creamy on the lips, and that's what you want as a wedding makeup look. You want something creamy, but so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was very helpful for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.